Key amendments in the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023. Welcome to part 2 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023 that replaced Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, making significant changes to India's criminal laws, addressing several loopholes present in the old law. Imagine this new law as a shiny toolbox packed with all the tools needed to make our system better and fairer. So what's the buzz all about? Well, buckle up because we are about to dive into the key amendments that are shaking things up. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Law Seeker Explainers, where we strive to make laws easier to understand for everyone. Now imagine a crime which is serious enough to land someone in jail for at least 7 years. So here's the forensic experts swoop in like crime-fighting heroes. They'll gather all the forensic evidence and record the process. So this is one of the major key changes that BNSS has brought in for offences punishable with 7 years of imprisonment or more. Next, as per the CRPC, if an accused has spent half of the maximum period of imprisonment in detention, he must be released on personal bond. This does not apply to offences punishable by death. The BNSS adds that this provision will also not apply to offences punishable by life imprisonment and persons against whom proceedings are pending in more than one offence. Now let's talk about timelines. Say, if a doctor is examining a rape victim, they have got 7 days to hand over their report to the investigating officer. And when it comes to court, timelines for giving judgment within 30 days of completion of arguments, which is extendable up to 45 days, or informing the victim of progress of investigation within 90 days, and framing of charges by session court within 60 days from the first hearing on such charges must be adhered to. So there you have BNSS making our justice system faster, fairer and more efficient than ever before. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more such legal updates and do not forget to like, subscribe and share.